Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Textile company guys. In particular today's video I'm going to showcasing some of the collections, in particular rapier jacquard silk collection guys. Yeah, it's one of our starting collections. I'm showing in particular silk variety. Many occasions are coming guys, like Eid are coming, and apart from that Pongal collections and many of the wedding collections are also we are manufacturing here. So guys, many of the varieties are waiting for you. So in this video I'm going to showcasing only the silk varieties. All the varieties and concepts you will be getting under the range of 700 rupees guys. From starting at the range of 220 rupees to 700 rupees you will be getting these kind of the sarees. And we are having another section also guys. On that another section, above 700 rupees, like 800, 1500, 2000, 3000, that kind of the ranges also we are having in another section. And apart from that guys, in today's concepts I'm going to showcasing many of the varieties like Kasturi, Padmini and beautiful Paitni sarees guys. Yeah, in first of all I'm showing Paitni sarees, in which these are the sarees very preferable and very glorious to Maharashtrian region guys. Yeah, these kind of the sarees are very preferable in the Maharashtrian region. And apart from that guys, we are having southern region concepts also. And first of all, Paitni sarees you want to be getting here with these kind of the blouse concept you want to be getting. And these are some of the beautiful and threading tassels work with you want to be designed pallu you will be getting here with the golden zaried work. And apart from that, on the both the edge of the side you will be getting here, and these kind of the beautiful golden zaried buttas work also you want to be getting here guys. See how beautiful it was. Beautiful, some of the glorious dark tone concepts like these kind of the varieties I'm going to showcasing in today's video. See guys, which are in mall showrooms, suppose under 700 rupees will become, some sarees will be 550, some 650, some 700, some you will be getting at the 650 or 400, 500, that kind of the ranges, mixed patterns, but under 700 guys. That's what I'm saying in. So any of the concepts you're going to be liking, have the screenshot and send to screen available number. It's one of our sales executive number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular range. So next variety I'm going to showcasing in the article name of Ragini. In the Ragini concepts you will be getting designed blouse guys. See, designed blouse you will be getting here, and beautiful golden zari, beautifully embroidered work, and these kind of the beautiful threading tassels also you want to be getting here. See guys, and on the both the edge of the sides, one is white border and another is some small size border with the beautiful concepts. See guys, in these kind of the variety you want to be getting here. See guys, many of the beautiful, some of the beautiful glorious concepts you're going to be having here. See guys, these are the highlighting some of the mixed tempting colors you're going to be getting here. Next concepts, Padmini Siroski work concepts you're going to be getting here. See guys, this will be the blouse. In the designs of blouse, some dotted designs you will be getting in the blouse, and these kind of the heavy golden zaried work also you want to be getting here. And between some of these kind of the golden zaried work, you will be getting these kind of the extraordinary designs. And let me introduce you guys. These are the Siroski diamond stones work you will be getting, which are giving extraordinary looks guys. See. And the next variety, in this also guys, all the colors you will be getting with the dark tone colors guys. Yeah, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. Like for the example, I will be give you, these are the 4 pieces of the sets. Minimum all the concepts you will be getting here with the piece of 4 sets guys. But rather than that, 6 pieces, 7 pieces, 8 pieces, 10 pieces, or also we are manufacturing. But many of our customers, they are from not having textile industry backup guys. Yeah, they are starting a new journey. For those purposes we are having the 4 piece of set kind of concept guys, so they can easily choose many varieties under less quantity guys. And next variety I'm going to showcasing you. See guys, in these kind of the beautiful designed blouses you will be getting guys in each of our silk varieties. And apart from that, In this, and beautiful, you want to be noticing the designs of pallu, guys. Extraordinary designs of pallu you will be getting here. And apart from that, Indian peacock traditional embroidered work, in particular fabric of the golden jaried, you will be getting here, guys, in the whole body of saree. See, and apart from the whole body of saree, you will be getting on both the sides beautiful elongated border also, guys. See, in this you will be getting here golden jaried work. See, guys. And guys, apart from that, if you wanting some of the Pongal based concepts, then these are the concepts are waiting for you guys, like Vinayaka silk, these kind of the concepts, and these kind of the varieties. Like, see guys, how beautiful it will be getting in the Vinayaka silk. You will be getting in these kind of the concepts. I'm not gonna be opening for you guys, because once it's gonna be open and the finishing gonna be disturbed. So that's why any of the concepts you like, please ask our sales executive number, which number is given in your screen. And if you're not able to come here and visit our company, then we provide you video call facilities also. On that video call facility, whatever the product you will be selected, the same exact product will be delivered at your doorstep, not having any kind of the changes, guys. Apart from that, we providing you COD facilities also. And after the dispatching, safely I have to say 7 to 10 days, but it's reach your doorstep at the just 4 to 5 days only, guys. Yeah. And let me say you guys, we are one of the genuine manufacturer in today's industry, guys. Yeah, we are one of the genuine manufacturers, and because of I'm saying our repeated customer ratio will be high, guys. That's what I'm saying. Many of the abroad countries like Germany, Mauritius, Australia, USA, from that abroad countries, foreign countries, customers are coming here and purchasing also. So please give your precious opinions and comments in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।